Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a wild animal. Baby hippo change into mommy hippopotamus. Hippo have very big mouth. Tiger is a wild animal. It lives in jungle or forest. Tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. Tiger. Baby gorilla. Gorilla are herbivores. They live in complex social groups. Antelope. Very beautiful antelope. Antelope is a genus antelopes comprising the Indian black buck. Antelope. Baby cow. Mommy cow. Cow are important domesticated animals that provide us meat and milk. The next is baby elephant. Mommy elephant. Elephant is most heaviest animal on earth. Look at this beautiful elephant wow. Elephant. Baby koala. Mommy koala. Koala live in forest. Koalas have similar fingerprint to humans. Baby zebra. Mommy zebra. Zebra are African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats. Cute zebra. Reindeer. Baby reindeer change into mommy reindeer. Reindeer are famous with his beautiful horns. Reindeer. Baby panda. Mommy panda. Pandas have excellent camouflage for their habits. Baby giraffe. Mommy giraffe. The specialty of giraffe is long neck. Giraffe for long legs and small tail. Baby camel. Mommy camel. Camel is desert animal. Camels store water in their blood. Baby horse. Mommy horse. Look at this beautiful horse. Horses are very strong and intelligent animal. The next one is baby polar bear. Mommy polar bear. Polar bear live in snow. Baby lion. Mommy lion. Lion is the king of jungle. By diet, they are herbivores. Thanks for watching my video. See you next video. Bye bye.